Hello, I'm Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America, and today I'm going to show you how to sync your peristaltic pump to the specific pump head that you are using. In order to start the sync process, we're going to hold onto the calibrate button while we turn on our pump. You will see PU1 pop up, that is the factory default, and corresponds to the SP Quick. Your options for setting the pump heads include the SP Quick, the SP Standard and Vario, the C4 multi-channel pump head, the C8 multi-channel pump head, and the C12 multi-channel pump head. Since we're using the SP Standard pump head, we're going to move up to PU2, as that is what corresponds to that pump head. For the full list of what setting corresponds to what pump head, you can refer to page 18 in your peristaltic pump manual. Now that we've got our pump head selected, we can push the select button to lock that in, and we can begin pumping our solution. That was syncing your peristaltic pump to your peristaltic pump head. Again, I'm Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America. Thank you for watching.